Welcome to this demonstration of the Certica app. In this demonstration, we will be working from the perspective of a hotel. For the example, I have created a component structure including the cabins. On screen, I have a QR code, so we have something we can scan using the mobile app. Imagine this QR code is printed and placed somewhere inside the specific cabin. There's a broken flat screen TV that needs to be reported by the crew member. To begin, we click the plus sign. From the two options, we will choose that the job is not fixed. Now, in the Create Job screen, we have some mandatory fields to fill in. The mandatory field here is Component. We will use the QR code as all relevant details are included. Activate the camera by clicking the QR icon so we can scan the QR code, which automatically registers component details. Now enter any other relevant information, such as a description of the problem and defining who's responsible by selecting them from a predefined list. It is also possible to add documents. In this case, we will take a picture of the broken flat screen monitor. When all needed and relevant information has been registered, we press Create Job in the lower right corner. Now, the job is created and can be seen under Added Jobs on the front page. It is now pending data synchronization, and this can be done by pushing Synchronize. All data, including pictures, will now be exchanged automatically with the main Certica installation. Once this is completed, you will see the job appearing in the Certica job list. Now, this can be processed, planned, detailed more, etc. for further action. The job list can be filtered so personnel looking at this only see issues related to the hotel section and not all other maintenance elements of the vessel. Thank you for watching this demonstration of the Certica app. If you wish to learn more about how Certica can help optimize your performance, please visit our website certica.com or watch our demo series on YouTube. For now, thank you for watching.